Hey everyone, welcome back to AutoStream US. Today we have a big update on Tesla's Robotaxi ambitions. Elon Musk just confirmed that the company plans to roughly double its Robotaxi fleet in Austin, Texas next month. That's a major expansion just months after the service first launched there, and it could signal a turning point for autonomous rides in the US. Here's the context. Earlier this year, Tesla rolled out its Robotaxi service in Austin, alongside operations in the Bay Area. But for many users, demand has outpaced the number of available vehicles, leading to frequent no availability messages and long wait times. Musk's announcement says that starting in December, the number of Tesla Robotaxis in Austin will nearly double. The goal is to ease supply pressure, improve availability, and accelerate real-world testing under higher usage. The fleet expansion in Austin comes as Tesla balances ambition with caution. Right now, every operating Robotaxi still requires an onboard safety monitor, a human observer, while the autonomous system continues to be evaluated. This expansion won't remove those monitors yet, but it does show growing confidence as Tesla puts more vehicles on the road. For riders and everyday drivers, doubling the fleet could mean shorter wait times, wider coverage, and more consistent service during peak hours. For Tesla, it means gathering far more real-world miles and data across diverse conditions, which is essential for improving self-driving performance, safety, and operations before expanding to more cities. There are still challenges. Tesla's earlier goals for Austin were much more aggressive, with suggestions that hundreds of Robotaxis could be deployed by year-end. Doubling the current fleet is a big step, but depending on the real number in service today, it may still fall short of those early targets. And of course, Tesla continues facing regulatory pressure, public skepticism about autonomous safety, and rising competition from other Robotaxi operators. Looking ahead, this expansion could be a pivotal moment. If Tesla successfully scales the Austin fleet while maintaining safety and reliability, it could open the door for rapid rollout in other major US metro areas. Musk has previously hinted at expanding into multiple regions this year, and a smooth, successful scale-up in Austin would give Tesla the momentum it needs. For now, the next few weeks will be crucial. Riders in Austin will be watching to see whether Tesla follows through on this promised expansion. The auto and tech industries will be watching to see if Tesla can maintain quality at scale. And everyday drivers should pay attention, because if Robotaxis become more common and more reliable, they could reshape the future of commuting, car ownership, and mobility. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to subscribe to AutoStream US. Hit that like button and turn on notifications so you never miss our next deep dive. The future of transportation is arriving fast, and we're here to cover every mile.